By the time kuphela le video, some of you nizobe seningangifuni, some of you nizong-unfollow, but it's the price I have to pay for telling the truth. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, I have to. Kule video sizombiza ngoBra J. Asiqale. Before siqala le video, vula u-Exodus 20 verse 3 to verse 5. Kuthiwa, you shall have no other gods before me. You shall not make yourself an image in the form of anything in heaven above, or on the earth beneath, or in the waters below. You shall not bow down to them or worship them, for I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God. Uzwe kahle, now thula ulalele. Once upon a time we had a great king. Aibo, no. The greatest king to ever live is uShaka Zulu. Asingalenzi nje iphutha, asingalinge nje senze iphutha elingaka. No, once upon a time we had King Nyana. Igama lakhe kwakuJulius Caesar. Wayephethe eRome and waphatha for many years. During his reign as king, Julius Caesar had many babies, but once upon a time wahlangana noCleopatra. They fell in love and they had a baby. They named ingane yabo uCaesar. And uCaesar would grow up to become the greatest person the world has ever known. But at the time babengazi bona, babeyibonela isaram sabo ingelosi yokulunga uCaesar. As time went by, uCaesar wayithole nenkinga, usiyaguga manje. He was busy looking at ingane zakhe, busy bangi-throne ngoba ziningi and zonke zifuna ukuphatha. Kodwa uCaesar yena wayene-worry enkulu ukuthi uzoshiya lo mhlaba without having an impact. Wayefuna something ezokwenza sure ukuthi ilegacy, isibongo sakubo will be remembered forever. And so he had a plan. uJulius Caesar wabiza meeting enkulu eRome, wabiza ama-politicians, wabiza abafundisi, wabiza ama-priest, wabiza wonke umuntu, kwahlalwa indoors, kwaba ne-secret meeting la khona ediscussa ilegacy yakhe le afuna ukuyishiya. This is one of the 2 pictures emhlabeni akwazi ukuthi akhishwe of ingane ya Julius Caesar, uCaesar Jr. Amanye have been hidden from us ngoba once zaphuma ithombe abantu will connect the dots. So when I just wait, I'm cooking. Ngo 2023 ama researchers e-University